Alright guys, so this is a request from one of my followers. He asked me to play "You Will Give You All the Glory." So I'm doing it on the key of F. So this is a simple way to play it with your passing chords. So we give you all the glory. I'll break it down. We give you honor. Receive all the glory. We give you honor. So this is the progression. You start with your 1, which is your Do. I'll be calling out the number pattern and the sophomore notation. Start with your Do, your 1, all the glory. We give. So see, this is the passing chord to your So. This is your G major or your Fa. You understand? So we give you all the glory. We give you all. So how to play it? On your left you play your G. On your right you play your D, your G, and your B, which is your Fa chord. You understand? So this is a passing chord to your So. So again from the beginning, we give you all the glory. Give you all. Immediately you play this, you play your So. This is your So to So, then your T Re So on your right. Receive. Then so the next chord now is your Mi. Just your Mi. Just play half step. Just do something like this. You're applying all these arpeggios I'm doing. So from the top again, let me take it slowly. We give you all the glory. Your Do is your 1. Fa, So, receive. You see? If I just play it, or just. So this Mi will be a passing chord to your Fa. On the top again, we give you all the glory. Give you honor. Receive all the then. After your Mi, you play your Fa. Your Fa to Fa. La do Fa. This is your D, your F, and your B flat. From the top, from the start again, give you all the glory. Give you honor. Receive all the glory. Then your So is your 5, back to your 1. Oh no. So you see, it's very simple. So let me play with the beats. All the glory. So you see, it's very simple. So do it to like, subscribe, share. If you want to master it, just play this very tutorial. Play it and you get it. Thank you guys. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.